Hey everyone, I just wanted to share some updates that we did recently in Voxel. So previously we had an integration with Flowmatic, which allowed you to import listings only using Flowmatic. But this time we actually went a bit a step further and we integrated it by creating a specific plugin for it. So the way it works now is if we go here into settings, we will have then an option to download the Voxel plugin, and this will just be a regular zip file. And then we just go into Voxel, into the WordPress website, into the plugins, and then we just add it as a new plugin. As you can see, it's already here installed. Then after being installed, you'll have a new item on the tab. We'll come here into Leads Importer, and this is where you can select the post type that you want to use. So currently has places, and after that you just save, and here then you enter the license key that it's basically sent through. It's sent to your email when you do the sign up. Then you activate license, and you're ready to go. Then the next step, assuming that your Voxel website is prepared to import listings, we go back into the Leads Importer tool. We go here. So when I say prepared, this, as you can see, I have the website set up, I have the post types here, I have the categories, and I also have the WordPress username and the application passwords that will allow to connect with Voxel and import the listings. Alright, so we go here into search. When we are in the search, there's a little bit of a difference between the starter plan and the turbo and advanced. So if you are in the turbo and the advanced, you have the search lists. So this is a way of you collecting all the listings that you search and categorizing them as you see fit, and this will allow you to track your progress, because also when I click here, for example, dog parks in New York, I do have already here 49 results, and if I come here into the map searches is where we'll be able to track our searches. Okay, so now we're just gonna go back here into leads. I have a couple of listings already. So imagine that we already did a search, dog parks in New York, and now I just want to import a listing into Voxel. For that, I'm going to click here and enable import, choose my website, the status that I want the post to be. Let's go for draft for now, then the places, and then let's say health for now. Alright, then we can just choose all if we want to import all, or we can just also select them individually. So let's choose two: Chelsea Park Run and Chelsea Waterside Dog Park. Okay, now we're just going to click import. There's going to be a pop-up coming, and then if it's successful, these two, the same icon that we can see here will appear here, indicating that this listing was properly imported. So as you can see, both are here. So now we can go to our WordPress website, click here in places, and see if everything is okay. And yeah, it does seem like that. So Chelsea Park Dog Run, draft, health, just for the demo, Chelsea Waterside Dog Park, and then let's do a preview. Okay, we can see the photo here, the opening hours, the rating, total ratings, and then we go here into edit to see a little bit more information, and then we have health again. Then next step, okay, the images. Then of course we have the website. So in this case, no email and no phone. Let me just check here quickly. Okay, yeah, just website, no email and no phone. Then here below we have the place ID, okay, rating, total ratings, author, attribution URL. So these two fields, it's if you want to use the image, you do need to use the author and the attribution URL. The Google URL, which basically points to the listing in Google Maps. The opening hours, and let's go a bit further. The location, okay. Yeah, and that's it. So everything seems to be okay. So So basically the exercise is just this. You would just make a search. You could then enable ChatGPT to add a business description. And then after that you could just import. So yeah, so basically this is it in a nutshell. This is how you use the new Voxel Leads Importer plugin to import listings directly into your Voxel website. So let me know below in the comments if you have any questions. And yeah, and that's it. That's a wrap. Thank you very much.